Hi guys, I am Dina. I have been selling on the Poshmark app for almost 2 years now and wanted to do a simple how-to video on how to do the same thing with your own items. For me, I am currently getting rid of stuff in my own closet, like clothing, shoes, handbags, some jewelry, accessories, that type of thing. But some people use the app for resale purposes as well. They may go to places like Goodwill, buy things to flip it and resell it. So far, I haven't done that, but I have been fairly successful in getting rid of my own items. My stats show right now that I have sold 138 items since February of 2020, with an earning of about $2,537, or somewhere in that neighborhood. So right now I thought I would do a little how-to video for those of you who are thinking of getting rid of some items in your closet. Maybe it could be even from your guy's closet, kid's closet, whatever. Makeup, accessories, there's all kinds of things that you can sell on Poshmark. You just need to do a little investigating and see what is allowed and what is not. They do have restrictions, not quite as wide open as a platform like eBay, but you can still be pretty successful in it if you take the time to take photos. Good photos are always a great idea. Having things on hand like a tape measure to measure sizes and things like that, because people are interested in that in your description. And I'll probably do a subsequent video on things that you should have on hand and things that you can get from the post office to help you in shipping your items. But for now, we'll focus on how to upload items. Personally, I think it's easiest to use the Poshmark app on your phone, because you can take photos with your phone and then upload them right from there. But for this video's purpose today, I'm going to show you on the desktop version that you can do the same thing easily as well, and show you how to do it from there. So you can apply it to your phone from here. All right, so I've got this turned around, and once you are on Poshmark and have uploaded a profile for yourself, you're going to come up here to the top where you can see your own profile, and you're going to click on Sell on Poshmark, which will bring up another page. Again, I normally do this from my phone, but this is the desktop version, so either way. I also have a couple drafts out there of things that I have not uploaded yet onto my site, so that would not normally be on yours. When you first start this, you would normally see create your listing and add photos and video right here, which is what you would do. You would go to your photos, add some photos from there, and upload them, all that you want to do. So for shorter purposes on this video, I've already got a couple drafts ready to go. So we're going to go to one of them and shorten the process a little bit and act as if I am just now uploading these 5 pictures onto my account. So I've got a picture of a pair of the pants. These are workout leggings. So that's from the front, another picture from the back. I turn it around, and then a up close detailed version, a picture of the label showing the size and the brand. And then I also do one more picture showing the inseam and any other measurements that I might want to include in my description. So now that I've done that, you can add up to 16 photos and or video with each item. The more details you can get and the better quality photos you have, the more likely somebody is going to want it. It all helps. All right, anyway, we've got enough pictures loaded as far as I'm concerned for this one. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to type in my title with key details like brand, size, and color. You've only got a certain amount of characters that you can put in for your title. I've already typed mine in. I've got Vogo, Athletica, yoga pant, legging, black, gray pattern, small. I've still got 23 characters left that I can use, but there's really not anything else I can think of to say that I'm not already going to put in my description below that. So I'm just going to copy and paste that down in my description so I have a little less to type. And then I'm going to I like to have this listed because I think it looks a little easier to read rather than one big paragraph. So I've got Vogo Athletico Yoga Pant Legging, black gray pattern. I'm going to say size small. And then I'm going to add some details like the material. So I'm going to say 88% polyester, 12% spandex. I'm also going to say inseam is 30 inches. And then I'm going to say good and gently worn condition, only worn twice. All right, so I'm going to come down here to category and I'm going to click on women's, and then I'm going to say subcategory is pants and jumpsuits. And that's going to bring up another box where I'm going to say this is leggings. So now that's going to help when buyers are searching for a particular kind of item. Quantity, if I had more than one of the same kind of thing, I would click on multi right here, but in most cases, you've just got single items that you're selling. Size, I'm going to enter that again, small. Does this item have tags attached? No, it is not new with tags, so I'm going to keep that as no, although I do sell a lot of things that are new with tags. Down here, I'm going to type in Vogo Athletica for my brand. And then next you can add in color. This is optional, of course, but again, it does help your item sell a little bit. So I'm going to say black and silver, black and gray actually is really probably more what it is. There's some white in there, but you can only add in up to 2 colors on that. I usually skip the style tags. Honestly, I don't really know what that means. Describe your item, aesthetic, material, style. I've already really done that, so I'm not going to add any more tags. Original price, that's where you'll put in how much you originally paid for that. Sometimes you might need to check online and look for comps and find out what that is. I've already done that, so I'm going to say $39 was the original price, and then you can decide what you want to list it for. The suggested price based on that original price, Poshmark is going to prompt you with anywhere between $12 and $25. The lower you price it, the more likely you are to sell it. However, you're not going to get that full listing price, whatever it is, because Poshmark is going to take out some fees for shipping, and of course, they're going to take their cut as well. So I'm probably just going to list this for, I'm going to say $13. Again, I'm not going to get 13. If I sell it for $13, I'm going to get you can see down here what you're going to get. Earnings when sold, it says 10.05 because they're going to take out money for shipping. We will get to other things in other videos that buyers can bargain with you on the price, and you can either accept or deny their offers in that. But for right now, we're going to keep it simple and just learn how to list an item. Availability is for sale still, and then we're going to click update. You can decide if you want to share your listing on other platforms like Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr. You would need to connect all of those if you wanted to do that. But otherwise, you're just going to click list this item, and there you go. Now it's on your feed. I'm going to go back to my closet, which I don't think I've shown you yet. And now you can see it's the first thing listed right there, along with everything else I've got currently listed for sale. You can also see that I just sold these today. I am going to end up resharing everything so that that ends up down at the bottom. I like all of my stuff on top to be stuff that is still for sale. And then if you keep scrolling all the way down to the bottom, right now I've got about 140 items that are currently listed for sale. But down at the bottom, you can see all of the 138 items that have sold since last February. So all of that all of these sold signs are things that I've sold, and then those will stay out there. So that's a permanent part of my account, is all of the things that I've sold in the last almost 2 years. So I'll do subsequent videos on things that will help you sell items, like when you start sharing your item to your main newsfeed, following people on Poshmark and having them follow you back is another way to gain traction and get sales made. But we'll talk about that down the line. So thanks for joining me today so far. And if you have any questions, send me a message.